Everyone, so in this video we'll discuss day 3 assignment part 2, that is build agents in anti-gravity with Agents CLI and ADK. And before moving to day 3 assignment part 2, if you haven't completed day 1, day 2, and if you haven't completed day 1, day 2 assignments, please complete it before starting day 3. And also complete day 3 part 1. I have posted, complete it, and if you are new here, I post the videos related to tech updates, job updates, internship updates, and free courses. So if you don't want to miss such opportunities, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow my social media handles for more. So now let's see this code lab. So what you will learn in this code lab, you will learn how to install and set up Agent CLI and its associated skills, how to scaffold a new agent project, the structure and key files of an ADK 2.0 graph workflow agent work, how to run automated linting and code cleanups, how to launch and use local web playground for interactive testing with auto reloading. What you need is Python 3.11 or higher. Installation I have already said in my previous video, and UV package manager, Node.js, Antigravity IDE. Install and configure from Google Antigravity. Prerequisites: this code lab assumes you are comfortable with using a terminal and command line. No prior experience with AI agents or ADK is required. Click on next. Click on next. Click on start fresh. Click on next. Select review driven development. Click on next. Keep this as it is and click on next. Select Chrome DevTools, SDK, Firebase. Click on next. Click on next. So limit has reached, so I'll open another account and try that.
Just you need to sign out from this account and open another account. Click on continue with Google and follow the next process as I am showing in the screen. Click on open folder and then create a new folder here.
Copy this command and
Replace with your API key here and then paste it in IDE terminal, that is anti-gravity IDE terminal. There you need to paste your API key. First you need to create your API key in Android. Create your API key in Android Studio and then come to the terminal. Click on new terminal and paste the command here with your API key. It will show you error because you are using PowerShell. To use PowerShell there is another command. Here you can see it down, Gemini. Use this command. I'll give it in the description. You can check out that. Just use this and it will work fine for you. As it is PowerShell, that's why you are not getting.
click on next. So we have completed this step. Click on next. Next, open a new terminal and you need to paste this command. As we already completed this process, we have completed this. So if you already completed, then no need to set up this. Or if you have not completed it, you need to set it up. You need to give this command and click run. And you need to allow the permission. You need to click SS, and finally we'll get this link. If you don't get the link, you can ask it like this. You I gave you the prompt, right? You haven't created a deployment link like that. If you ask, it will give some commands. You can run it in terminal and then it will give you the link. Just open that link. Getting like this. So you just go with the flow. Don't stop in middle. Just allow whatever it is asking. Just give S. So now you got the link finally. So here you can see the app. Finally, it got deployed. Select app from this drop down and let's start with this. You can try out any prompt from here. So here you can see it is creating the standard shipping and you can see it is interacting. And in a similar way, you can try out other commands. Okay. And here also you can just try this out. Try this out in your anti-gravity. Here you can give commands like read and explain the project structure of new agent. If you want explanation of any of the files from here, you can just prompt it here, ask it to explain something and it will able to explain you. So it will explain you what is the project about or what is the file about. Everything it will be able to explain you. So give it a try. In your IDE, in your anti-gravity IDE, you can try out this also. You can give a prompt like run a CLI query asking my agent how long standard delivery takes. You can just try it out. Then click on next. You need to clean up to avoid leaving unwanted resources in your local environment. Follow this step. Stop local servers. Just you can stop the server here. Just stop it. And also you can type this command in the and also copy this command and paste it in your IDE anti-gravity. So this command is wrong in PowerShell. So let's try another command. If you're still facing this issue, just restart your system. And if you're not able to delete it from anti-gravity IDE terminal, then just restart your system and open your PowerShell PowerShell terminal. Just go to your folder where you have created the date3 folder. Go there and type this command and it will be deleted. And to make sure it is deleted, just type dir and you will, if you get blank here, then your folder has been deleted, like your customer support agent has been deleted. You're safe now. And for extra safety, you can also delete your API key. Come here and just delete this. On 17th we created, just delete it. Click on three dots, click on delete key and successfully completed cleanup. So now click on next. Just go through the summary. So you earn the learning badge. You can view it in your profile. Click on view profile and wait for some times. Refresh. And if you're not able to see your badges here, just log into the Kaggle account and check. And for day 3 assignment, I missed one badge. So go to congratulations. After completing only, go to congratulations. Click on 5-day AI agents and you'll get a badge here and you can check the badge. Just refresh. So here you can see the badge. In a similar way, check for other assignments also you might find. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in day 4 assignment. So if you found this video helpful, please like, hype and share this with your friends. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.